Let us recite words of one syllable. Ear,
ear,
feet,
feet,
good,
good,
hat,
hat,
ink,
ink,
kind,
kind,
lame,
lame,
mole,
mole,
night,
night,
once,
once,
pair,
pair,
queen,
queen,
raise,
raise,
sage,
sage,
talk,
talk,
vice,
vice,
wait.
wait.
Very good. Now let us do words of two syllables. Abhor,
Abhor,
became,
became,
seller,
seller,
depend,
depend,
eager,
eager,
famous,
famous,
garden,
garden,
hateful,
hateful,
indeed,
indeed,
jealous,
jealous,
laden,
laden,
merry.
merry.
Good. And now let us do words of three syllables. Amending,
Amending,
benefit,
benefit,
candlestick,
candlestick,
difficult,
difficult,
employing,
employing,
family,
family,
glorious,
glorious,
harmony.
harmony,
Good. Now let us do words of four syllables. Accompany,
accompany,
beatitude,
beatitude,
capacity,
capacity,
diligently,
diligently,
everlasting,
everlasting,
fidelity,
fidelity,
glorifying.
glorifying.
And now let us do words of five syllables. Admiration,
Admiration,
beneficial,
beneficial,
consolation,
consolation,
dedication,
dedication,
exhortation,
exhortation,
fermentation,
fermentation,
generosity.
generosity.
Good. Now let's do words of six syllables. Gratification,
Gratification,
humiliation,
humiliation,
imagination,
imagination,
mortification,
mortification,
purification,
purification,
qualification.
qualification.
Well done. That is our syllables.